What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Alexandra Monet. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to cut your ends in twists. So if you're like me and you don't have a whole lot of time for your natural hair maintenance, I'm going to show you how I do my end cuttings when my hair is in twists. So mind you, I twisted up my hair, and as you can see, we have some healthy twists here. And what healthy twists look like is literally like this. Like they're juicy and they have a lot of recoil. And then if your twists kind of look, to the left side of your screen like this, and there's not a lot of recoil, and you have straight ends like this, and your twists are kind of slim and not plump, then you got some cutting to do. So again, I just kind of want to show you, if you're like me and you want to trim your ends, I went ahead and I put my hair in a lot of twists after I did a nice wash and condition. And my twist on the right side, that is what I'm looking for. Something that is full all the way from the root to the end, and maybe your ends are just a little smaller, but it should basically be this. Your twist should be the same width going from the top to the bottom, and a nice spiral curl at the end. And on the left side, you will see that is not the case. So we are going in with our scissors. So when it comes to cutting your ends when your hair is in twists, I kind of like to work efficiently, and I have about 25 to 30 twists in my hair because this is a twist out. And I started with washing and co-washing, deep conditioning my hair, and I put the twist in. So any straight ends that are in my twist right now are super dead, okay, because I deep conditioned, I washed. My hair is supposed to be in its most natural state. So after you do that and you put all your twists in, you are going to go through and cut the ends that are straight. So once that is finished, you will see you will have a healthy twist. So basically, the width of your twist is the same from the root to basically the end, and your end will have a nice spiral curl, and you'll have some elasticity there, right? That's what we're looking for. So as I continue and I'm assessing each twist, you double check your ends and make sure that they kind of look like that as best as they can, and they don't look like that. You see how there's straight pieces coming out of that twist? That's because part of that hair, the hair strands in that twist are dead. They're not coiling up, they're not curling up, and what are we going to do? We're going to cut them off. And as you can see, for this twist, it was a lot less hair to cut off. If you're worried about keeping your hair the same length, I might not recommend this method for you, because you're going to see that some of your hair, at least for mine, has different lengths of damage. So like I said, I'm going through each twist, and when I see the ends that start to get straight after I get from a coily part of my twist to a straight part of my twist, I know that I can cut. This side is doing a really good job. So this twist, as you can see, I have a coily end. That looks good. So I'm going to keep moving on. But this end right here, you can literally, I'm pop quiz, guys. What part of my hair has the damage? Obviously, it's this side where my twist is so thin. My hair did not even revert back when I washed it and I deep conditioned. So what am I going to do? Obviously, I'm going to cut it. And as you can see, I have a thicker side and then a thinner side. And that thinner side is where I'm going to let it go, right? So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. And now, again, from the top of my twist to the very end of my twist, I have some elasticity, and I also have it the same width. Even for this end here, as you can see, that end of my twist should not look like that. And in fact, it's going to negatively impact my twist out. And if you're like me and you want your twist out to be, your curls to be popping and to not come out straight, that's not really my thing. I like volume. Then you might want to give this method a try. So thus far on the left, you can see the ones that I cut. They have blunt ends, but they are very healthy twists. And on the right, you can see what they would look like if I was to keep that heat damaged hair. Literally doing a twist out on heat damage is not going to make it go away. the hair is damaged, at least from my perspective. Some people know how to revert their hair back. Check out their videos. Maybe I will too. But in the meantime, I literally cut out all of the heat damage in my hair, and my twist out is coming out popping. And you might have thought, wow, girl, you cut off a lot of hair. But as you can see, when you know, rock your twist out, it does not look as bad. So on the left side is the side that had a lot of cutting. And you can see it's kind of like a blunt end. And this side, the right side, didn't have much to do. But I feel like with time and natural hair styling, we will be able to grow that back, and trust me, at a much faster rate. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.